Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply clear cache, delete junk files, and empty your trash bin in Yahoo Mail from your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to click on here. First thing first, for us to clear our cache, what we need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right there. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for clear cache. So click on clear cache. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear cache. Then for you to delete permanently junk file and empty your trash bin, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have to simply scroll down. Here we go. Then you have your trash right here. What you need to do is to simply click on trash. Are you sure you want to permanently delete all messages in trash? Then what you need to do is to simply click on OK. And all messages in your trash bin will be deleted. By the time we simply go back to my trash again, and you can see right here, there is nothing in my trash again. If I click on it, you have empty trash. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to clear junk file, how you can simply clear cache and free up more space in your Yahoo Mail. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.